Wait, am I in there?
It is recording.
Is it too far away? It's a bit far away, isn't it?
A bit far.
Well, I wanted people to see our new kitchen.
I know, but...
Did you like our new kitchen?
There's
It's a postage, not Amazon.
What is it? Oh, okay.
Assume this is it.
Oh, yeah. Say hello, Daddy.
Hello, Daddy.
Oh, this
What am
is
I
my...
saying hello to myself for?
Right. Oh, look how pretty. I wanted to put my new tea towels. Oh, aren't they pretty? Yeah, I'm gonna put 2 tea towels. Anyway. So, okay, you can go. No, I wanted I wanted to talk to Maxwell about his quadding trip.
Okay.
I don't know, not the quadding trip, what you did over the weekend. You tell us, Maxwell, what you did. Hello, everybody. This is Jean, Ian, and Maxwell here. Jean Truelove Quilts for you. I'm not quilting. We are in our newly refreshed kitchen.
What are you doing, Dad?
We're in our newly refreshed kitchen that Daddy worked so hard on with the shelving. I showed you that the last video. Maxwell is back. He didn't see it. What do you think?
Very good, very bright.
It is bright. Yeah. Well, Elliot came and he was saying the yellow light bulbs here, we had more of a yellow tinge to the light bulbs. It was a warm light and it made the yellow very dull. This kitchen had been painted yellow. So we painted it this minty green and we put in bright light bulbs. Oh, I guess you have a new message. Okay. So anyway, so Maxwell came home to a new kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just have to answer this. Continue talking.
Okay. Maxwell came home from, he was with his 7 brothers. Oh no, there were 6 brothers and Maxwell, 7 Trueloves, went again. Every year they go to West Virginia on their quadding trip to the Hatfield McCoy Trails. Serious quad trip. There was 12 of you that went this year. Mm-hmm. 7 Trueloves went. Maxwell has his own 450 quad. The boys have like big quads. 1,000 cc quads, big time. So he went for 4 days. 4 days went down to West Virginia. It's about
it's really a 2-day trip. We don't count the other 2 days.
Traveling.
So, yeah, we don't count the traveling.
Right. So tell everybody how far it was. How many hours?
It's about 7 hours and 40 minutes. Okay, almost. But it's about another hour and a half because we have to stop.
Yes. Yeah. You're gonna have to drink it. Oh, your Mountain Dew can't fit if it matches the kitchen.
Yeah.
Is that why you did it?
Yeah. I found one flaw with your kitchen.
Oh, what's the flaw?
Very slippery stuff.
Oh, I bought. Well, it's just for sort of.
Yeah, you need grip tape on those.
Okay, I do have Yeah, I bought these. I went shopping pretty much in our own house for bits, but I did buy this sort of vintage green butter dish, but it is very slippery.
Yeah, you need.
I know, and I have the other one. I have another one.
That one's actually a lot more heavier than that.
It is actually. It's a little bit cheesy.
You would use that as a hockey puck.
It is a little bit cheesy. So anyway, this is all about your trip. So tell us how it went. Everybody wants to know. It took about 8 hours. You rent a lodge.
Glorified log cabin.
Hello, glorified. It's beautiful.
Glorified log cabin. That's what it's...
But it's gorgeous.
I know.
Yeah, it's a glorified log cabin down in West Virginia where they stay.
All these homes are made by one person.
Wow.
One person alone.
4 rentals for the quad people. Pretty much that's their tourist industry.
So there's 3 big cabins,
Right.
what are the glorified ones, then you just have regular houses.
Okay, okay. And so all 12 of you stayed in this one house?
Yes.
Right. You were in a room with
Jordan and Francois.
Jordan, number 3 son and number 7 son, and Maxwell, number 10 son. So that was good. So
Yeah.
you just went on you had all of your equipment, you had your helmet. Oh,
Yeah.
I got your tear-offs.
They're probably the wrong ones.
Oh, okay. For his goggles.
We probably have to order the Pit Viper ones.
Yeah, we have to order the Pit Viper tear-offs.
Yeah.
So did you get filthy dirty?
I got covered.
You got covered, but everybody was okay
Yeah, for the most part.
for the most part.
Yeah, not like one of us got into an accident.
One of you got into an accident.
Yeah,
Was it a true love?
it could be or it could not.
It could be or it could not. The boys said no one got. Our boys got.
No one.
No one got hurt.
No one.
No true loves got hurt. Ah, somebody else got hurt.
Somebody else got
Oh,
hurt,
right.
but he's still alive.
He's still alive. Oh well. So there was a little bit of a casualty, but he's still alive. How's his quad?
Obliterated.
Obliterated.
It used to have steering, now it don't even steer.
It won't steer.
Yeah.
So did this person go off a cliff or something?
Yeah.
No,
He
I'm
did.
joking.
Oh
my.
We're not joking. He actually went off.
He went off.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I did hear just one. Somebody had to go to the hospital.
Who did you hear that from? Justin?
Somebody said there was just one slight accident. One slight accident.
Yeah.
Maxwell.
It's not a slight accident. It was an accident.
Oh my goodness! It wasn't you. It wasn't one of the boys. One of the true loves.
It was just somebody anonymous.
It was somebody anonymous. Oh my god! They're okay now? Because we knew
Yes.
everybody except that one person. I heard that. Yeah, we knew everybody. The same sort of group goes. A lot of the true loves go, and several other our
so
friends.
some of them are consistent. Some of
Yes.
them are brand new.
Brand new. So this was a brand new. Oh boy.
Well, he'd ridden quads, but too much quad for him.
It was too much quad. So you have a 450 Honda quad. That's just enough, right?
Yeah.
You were okay.
I was okay. Got close calls like 2 inches from the edge, but I'm okay.
You got 2 inches?
Oh, well, trying to stop a quad on slippery, wet rocks is not an easy task.
Maxwell, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I had fun.
You enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to go next year?
Yeah.
Oh my word. So Maxwell had a successful quad. Did any true loves get hurt? No.
A few of us flew off, but
A few of them flew off.
Yeah. But
none of you were injured.
Injured. One of them had to be rushed to the hospital. The one that went off the cliff.
So someone did have to go to the hospital.
It was just stitches.
It was just stitches.
So he's fine now. He's fine now.
He's fine. He just had stitches. So it was a successful trip. Nobody died.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you ate out.
One night we ate out.
One night. And who cooked?
Dominic, Jordan, Francois.
Oh, nice. Yeah. And you did laundry. You did everybody's laundry.
Yeah, and will you let me do my laundry here?
I don't know. You did everybody's laundry. That was so kind of you.
Did
you do a good job?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, awesome. Well, so that was Maxwell's exciting news. We missed you so much.
I'm not dead.
You're not dead. We painted the kitchen. Elliot K painted the kitchen.
Oh, yes.
Do you like it? It's so lovely and bright.
Very, very bright.
Why do you keep saying that? It is very bright, but the rest of our house is a little bit dark, which I like. I love living in a cave. I love it if I want to go outside. But having said that, the kitchen was
It's kind of the center of the home.
The center of the home, and I did want it bright, and it just brings a smile to my face.
Is there really a center of a home in this house?
Usually that. Oh no, it would be
Quarters.
It would be the We have four rooms: a kitchen, a foyer, a front room, and a family room. That's it.
And upstairs, it's the same
exact-
way. And then there's me.
This house is called an American four-square house, built in 1910, and it literally has 4 rooms downstairs, 4 bedrooms upstairs, and then your 3rd floor.
Oh my word.
Okay, I don't want to ask you any more questions. I'm just glad you made it home in one piece.
Yeah.
The other person has a few stitches to show for us. Some war injuries. Oh my goodness. And you're going to go next year, but that's for next year. But you had a lovely time?
Mm-hmm.
And you missed Mom and Dad? You cried every night?
No.
You didn't cry once?
No.
We didn't cry either. We did our kitchen.
Yeah.
Our very, very
Yeah.
bright kitchen.
Yeah, I do want to get some chest, back, and shoulder protection
Chest
that they
protectors,
make.
yeah. They were a couple $100.
Well,
Yeah. Yeah, you had your
Uh,
pants on and you had your boots. Your boots are like muddy as anything. Oh my word. So I took a picture of your boots.
that is not as muddy as they could get.
Wow.
That was on the 2nd day. I only rode for about an hour and a half.
All right. Well, I'm glad you had to let you know that Maxwell is safe and sound. Somebody else was rushed to hospital, but it wasn't a true love.
Yeah.
And yeah, thank you so very much for all your love and everything. And say thank you very much to everybody.
Yep.
You want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye. See you later, everybody. Love from the Truelove.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Bye.